But for today, I have set my hair. I love the extra product that I put in my hair today with Big Poppa because it will curl your hair up fast. Now I'm doing this for y'all. Even though my hair is set with the extra product that we have for Big Poppa, I'm not going to add anything else to it. And I'm going to show you just what that other product will do to my hair with Big Poppa in it. Look at that. Look at that. So if I wanted to just have my hair all curly, this is going to curl up my hair. Now this is my natural hair changing, guys, because of the products that we are using. And our hair is taking, and I believe that it's taking better because we're getting up every day with our routine. We're not skipping. We're getting up every day with our routine. And on top of that, we are trying different products to see what it would do for our hair. Like I said, this is natural hair, and my hair is changing.
Then get up, get dressed, before work's off my list. What's left to do? Just
all right, guys, well, I was showing you that my hair really act well, slicked down and everything. And only thing that I decided to do was to take the 3-row demi comb and comb through it because I want to trim down the sides of my hair. Y'all know that we're doing a series with Big Poppa, and we're also doing a daily health routine for our hair. And my hair is growing like crazy. So once again, let me show you what I put on my hair this morning. All right, we got up this morning and we oiled our hair with vitamin E oil because we oil our hair every day. We use Cream of Nature coconut milk detangling leave-in conditioner. I decided to use this instead of water. And then we used Hawaiian silk. Okay, we sprayed our hair with Hawaiian silk, and we used Big Poppa. Now, these two combinations, along with everything else that I showed you today, is what I used on my hair. And like I said, I want to cut my hair today. And so I'm really just seeing where it is. I want to cut it. But this stuff, after applying it, and I combed it through and let it dry, you see how curly that it looked? You see how it's still waving up? These two combinations here are great. I'm telling you guys, they are great. Like I said, this moved to the top of the class. Now, y'all gonna have to look out for what we're gonna use Big Poppa with next, okay? Right now, this series is series 3, and this combination, these two here, are really good. I hope you guys are still doing y'all daily, health routine. Because the more I'm transforming my hair, I don't know. I'm not going to, you're never supposed to say never, but I don't know if I am going to use a texturizer again. I'm just being straight up. I'm just having so much fun transforming my hair with these beautiful products that we have been finding, and there's no rush. There's no rush to make up my mind on that. I'm just having so much fun. So when I come back, if I want it curly, I believe I can just put some of that leave-in conditioner on there, comb it through if I need to, and then it'll just curl up because you see it's curling up now. That's why I say this mixture right here is perfect for a T. I'm cutting that, guys. This is perfect for a TWA. And it's perfect for medium and long hair too, but I'm just saying, if you just cut off your hair and you want your hair to become softer, you want it to grow fast, You want some nice curls and your hair to start waving up as you transform it with the products, do the healthy hair routine that I showed you guys. Do the daily healthy hair routine, and this mixture here will transform your hair. Because my hair used to be rough in here. This is where my combination hair started, but because of everything that I'm telling you guys, my hair has transformed from being, after I cut all my hair off July 29th, and I'm, studying these products and testing these products for you guys, my hair started transforming. I know when it started transforming, doing the healthy hair routine. Now guys, y'all know that I use Sulfur 8 and I love it. I love Sulfur 8 because I like the way it makes my scalp feel when I, grease my hair and feel medicated and things. That worked, but when I ran out of Sulfur 8 in the last video, I had some of this vitamin E. I like this, it's just too slippery, It's too slippery, but I like it. It runs when you apply it, so it's nothing wrong with it. But I'm seeing my hair take to these products. I'm seeing that my hair is becoming uniformed and no longer combination hair. And we're going to keep this going, guys. This is a new addition to the family. Big Poppa is a new addition to the family. But with each video that I show y'all what I mix this with, we have been running into winners. Well guys, I'm about to get out of here. I just thought I would come back and show you how my hair had started curling up and that I need a haircut, guys. I need a haircut. All right guys, well that is it. This combination that I have shown you for my hair is working out beautiful. I believe that this has moved to the head of the class. Guys, I really do like this combination together. This is Big Poppa Gel and Hawaiian Silk 14-in-1. My hair is just beautiful. I can wear it flat and then I can wear it curly, and it seemed like it took on a different type of curl when I did it individually and when I did it with a comb. Both of them was nice. But that is about it for this one. Out of a scale of from 1 to 10, I would give it a 10. So guys, you have reached at It's Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell so you will not miss part 4 and the other content that I have coming your way. And also guys, just know that I appreciate you because you are the reason why my channel is growing. Thank you for liking and sharing and thumbing up my videos. And until next time guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I will talk to you later. Be looking out for what else I come up with Big Poppa Gel.
Then get up, get dressed before work's off my list.